how to enable dark mode on YouTube. Like you can see, I'm opening the YouTube, and here you can see there is no any option to make the theme of this YouTube to dark. So alternatively, you have to do this. So simply for that, you have to first click on the source field and type settings here, and you will have to open the settings. So after opening the settings, you will have to search for the dark mode. So after searching the dark mode on the source field of settings, you will have to go for the option like turn on dark mode for apps. So simply click on that option. So you will have to go on this choose your mode option and click on this drop down section and choose for the option dark. Okay, so now you have changed your system theme to dark. So now open the YouTube from here. And it's done. We have successfully changed the theme of YouTube to dark mode. So likewise, you can also change the theme of the YouTube to dark mode. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.